To install a soil solution access tube, a coring tool is pushed into the soil and drawn back out. The collected soil is removed so that the tool can be inserted again to make the hole deeper. Mix the collected soil with water to make a slurry or mud that is used to grout the tube in place. Pour some of the mud into the hole. The tube, which has been soaking in clean water to saturate the tip, is inserted firmly to the bottom of the hole. The annular space is filled with the mud and tamped down for compaction. Mound and compact some loose soil around the top of the tube to keep water from puddling there.